This is an overview of ServiceNow's App Launcher functionality that is included within Employee Center Pro. App Launcher provides the ability for employees to access all of their assigned applications directly from the Employee Center homepage or within a topic page. It utilizes pre-built integrations with Azure AD and Okta to showcase applications that an employee has access to, whether that's directly from the homepage or within a topic page from an Employee Center. It also supports the ability to add in custom applications as well. Let's take a look at the functionality. I'm logged into the portal as Emily, who's an employee within the organization. When Emily comes to her homepage, she sees all of the applications that she has access to through this delivered widget. As I mentioned previously, this leverages the applications that a user has been assigned to within Azure or Active Directory, as well as custom applications. Emily can easily favorite these applications, or she can also go in and she can view all applications. This is where she has a variety of filters where she can see recently opened, as well as particular topics. All of these are completely configurable. Let's look at how an application can be embedded within a topic page as well. Emily has navigated to her benefits topic page. Within the topic page, she has the ability to view catalog items as well as knowledge articles, but down below she has also a section called My Applications. This is where you can configure relevant applications to a particular topic page. When Emily would click on this application, it would automatically sign her in to that particular application using those Active Directory credentials. Now let's look at some configuration of these web applications. Under Employee Center, under Web Applications, is where you can configure your Active Directory applications. I can do a sync by updating applications, and this will show any new applications that have been registered within that Active Directory. Or I can also go in and I can add in a new application. This is what it would look like if I were to go in and add in a custom application that might not be in Active Directory. I can assign a name to the application. I can mark it as featured. I can also designate what groups it's available for or not available for. Add in the application URL as well as the application icon here. If you're looking for additional help on Employee Center features, please visit us on the Employee Center Product Hub or scan one of the QR codes to attend the Employee Center Academy, office hours, or confidential roadmap webinars.